Welcome back to the channel, Zelvians. This is me, Zelvorine, and we are back with another YouTube video. This is a MotoGP race, guys. I'm going super fast with only 5 km per hour. Let's make it a race, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. I love third gear so much because that's the thing that makes me excited and makes me keep going. You know where I am going right now? Make some UGC videos. If you don't know exactly what UGC video is, user generated video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, yeah, 15 degrees right now. That's fine. I love this weather so much. With all these armors, I'm not getting ready for the traffic. I'm actually getting for a war. So guys, this is the Rogue 2 gloves from Raven. They've just launched it, and this thing is made of leather. I'll show you exactly all the details of this glove. Let's do all launch control. Oh shit. Okay, all right, let's go. We do have a free roll. Nice. Well, let's go. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. I think the colors are nice, I guess. For me it was looking nice, but I think I should go and check at home exactly what it looks like before I can say it's fine, it's good to use in the daytime. I gotta go and check it at home. This thing will be a trial thing. Dude, you're in a learning phase and you're just crossing the red light. That is so weird. Oh, this Mercedes is looking nice. I'm not gonna ride. Oh yeah, this girl is looking at me and it's a cute reaction. Church is open today. The signal is green, so I'm gonna go. Guys, I am done filming my video. Then I'll go back home and do the voiceover thing. You can see something. Hold up. Yeah, you see the videos like this are called UGC videos, and we're gonna use this. Amazing. You can see it has protection over here. Your knuckles are protected, your fingers are protected, okay? And these have airflow as well. It's completely leather, and you have branding right here, and the straps are amazing, and you have palm sliders as well. Your hands are completely safe, guys. And I have the XL size. My hands are bigger, and it got protection over here as well. Best things about this glove is you can use your phones. It dries quicker, guys. You don't have to worry about anything. Whenever you sweat a lot, it has a quick dry feature as well. Oh baby, I think we should get some sunlight as well. It's good for our health. Oh my god, this BMW is looking so sick. I have a big announcement for you. We're gonna reach 1.5k subscribers on YouTube, so just hit the follow, just hit the subscribe button. Sometimes I love going a little faster. Oh. I just fly by the cop. Hey, I love doing this. That person on the extreme left of the white scooter is looking at me with a weird face. I don't know why. We're gonna go straight. Yeah, this person. What happened, bro? Why are you just honking like an idiot? I might just get low views for speaking English, but it's fine, guys. It's fine. At least I'm not doing exactly the same as everyone's doing. At least I'm in India and I'm doing something different, which is fine. Let's gear down and go left. Ciclo! Ciclo! Oh my god. If you see, it's a downhill. And okay. I have no idea, guys, like where that road is going. Okay, now this is the place where I'm completely scared of, because the brakes might not work properly because it's a downhill. And we're gonna go slowly. There's a bump. I'm gonna leave the throttle completely and let the bike go slow. See, here's a bump. I jumped off. Oh my god, this road is so down. I'm gonna go in the first gear. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't exactly know why all these dogs sleep on the roads. I'm gonna put my bag right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shoes off first, okay, and do this. Cool. And we will take this thing. Oh my god, I have my phone here. Keep it. For now, we're just gonna go and keep it right here. And that's the thing. Taking this thing off. You can see this is for the grip. And okay, fine. Okay, cool. So you can see we have protection over here. Protection over here. Okay, this is the Kevlar. You can take it off and ride normally with these joggers. Okay, cool. This one is the, you can see we, oh my god, my legs. Okay, cool. This one has the Kevlar inside. Cool. You can just use the velcros, and whenever you want to see the protection on the knees, you can see we have protection over here on the hips, and over here. Let me show you exactly the thing over here. Okay, you have you right here is showing off. You're getting air vents as well, guys. Dual air vents. Okay, see, these are the air vents you're getting to get your airflow inside. These are the pockets. These are the pockets. These are the pockets. These are the pockets. You can see with the zip. Okay, and you're getting pockets here as well, here as well. Hey, cool. This is the Arcane Armor Joggers from Raven Moto, and if you want anything from Raven, you can go check out www.ravenmoto.co. Guys, let's wear this thing again. Okay, 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 cool. Okay, cool. Zips as well. Let's go, baby. Let's put this thing on. Even these things are super comfortable for summers as well. Because of the quick dry feature. If you want anything, guys, just go and check the link in the description. You'll get some discounts as well. We're doing some workouts. Soya sticks. खोल दो यार इस रास्ते को, हमें जानना है. Guys, we're just leaving from here. We are done enough resting. Oh. बहुत ज़्यादा रेस्ट हो गया. And now we are just leaving from here. And Sunday तो नहीं है. जो कि like and let's check everything is all set or not. Oh, 2 लाइन्स हो गए. Anyways, it's fine. इस 2 लाइन में ना हम 100 किलोमीटर जा सकते हैं. Let's go. Let's do a launch control. One. जो अभी लॉन्च हुआ ना, it's like 12,000 RPM में हुआ है. भाई देख रहे हो कितना ऊपर है. भाई साहब, अगर बाई चांस थोड़ा रुक गया ना, नहीं उठ पाओगे ऊपर. बाप रे बाप, कितना ऊपर है. एंड अभी लेफ्ट जाना है. लेफ्ट जाके देखना है कि एटलीस्ट है क्या. यहाँ पे है क्या यार. अबे यार, बहुत ही दूर का रास्ता है, नहीं जाना. मेरे को भूख लगी है तो बेकार का है. बस वैसे ही कुछ तो रास्ते कहीं जा रहे हैं. एनीवेज, अगर कोई पहाड़ वहाड़ है. Anyways, bye bye.